Okay, today I'd like to introduce you to our SR series systems. The SR systems are available in 4, 6, or 8 Q receivers. All of them come with the 12-button remote. These receivers, or the Qs on these receivers, can be set to any series of the 4 buttons on the remote. So it could be 2 through 5, or it could be 8 through 11, or it could be 1 through 4. It's just however you decide to program it. So that's basically the gist of it. Let's see how it works. Okay, so now I've installed 6 AA batteries into the receiver and a standard 9-volt battery into the transmitter. It's very simple to program. First of all, I'll show you that when you turn the system on, you get the yellow power light and all 4 of the red lights are on. And to program, it's very simple. Takes a toothpick or a paper clip, or in my case I have a little torque screwdriver here that I'm going to use. So let's turn both. Everything is on, and let's say we want to reprogram this receiver to respond to channels 9, 10, 11, and 12. So let's put our little device into the small hole on the top, and you'll feel a small button underneath. You press that button and you'll notice that the yellow light is flashing. While that light is flashing, you press the button on the receiver that you want to start with, release the one on the remote, and you can see now that the receiver responds to 9, 10, 11, and 12. There's 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's basically it. You would use, say, 3 of these receivers for a 12Q system on your remote. We also have a 6Q model, and we have an 8Q model. We also package these systems as a set, 2 6Q receivers and the 12-button remote. And we also package these systems as a set with the 12-button remote and 3 of the 4Q receivers. So both systems will give you 12 Qs, with the smaller one being a little bit more distributed to save you some wire runs and so forth. So you can also piggyback these. You can set 2 or 3 of these, as many as you want, to respond to the same buttons, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here again, the possibilities are just up to your imagination. And like if you've seen our MR series video, like we said in that video, you can use these in conjunction with the 6Q or the 4Q receivers, or the SR receivers. So if you'd like to piggyback one of these on any of these Qs, then you would program your SR system, then program your MR system to whichever button you'd like to piggyback, and now both receivers will respond when you press that button. So that's gives them a little bit of versatility and gives you some ways that you can distribute your Qs with minimum wire runs and so forth. Alright, so the next topic is, how does it work? As you can see, I've installed 2 Talon igniters in the system, and hopefully you can see that the first and the 4th Q, the LED is brighter, about twice as bright as the middle 2. That is showing continuity through the igniter. I'll try to unhook one side of this one and let you see the difference. There it is with no continuity, and there it is with the continuity. Okay, so what I'd like to do is I want to just take the caps off of these and expose the little Talon element. Okay, so now I've got the elements exposed. I've got them hooked up to Qs 1 and 4, which correspond, as you'll remember earlier, we programmed this receiver to 9 through 12. So this is 9, and 10 and 11 are empty, and this would be Q12. So first let's fire Q9 on 3, 2, 1. And you can see that the Talon did its thing. And now Q12 in 3, 2, 1, and again Talon fired. So that's how the system works. You can see that the lights now have resumed to their normal state, meaning that the Talon element has burned through and done its thing. So that's how the SR system operates. The SR systems are not compatible with the 24 and 36Q remotes, but they are compatible with our new 1200Q remote. So you can purchase the receivers separately, or you can purchase as a system and then add receivers, or you can purchase the long distance remote and just mix and match however you'd like. So basically, that's a wrap on the SR systems. Very simple to use, very simple to program, and easy on the wall. So thank you for joining me for our demo of the SR system, and I hope you'll visit our website, www.pyroworks.us. Thanks. Bye.